This is a ROIDMI high-speed hair dryer. It is a compact, high-performance hair dryer with a beautiful design and a lot of accessories, because it is designed to be your companion when you're traveling and everything regarding that. So when you are at home, you have a dock. When you're traveling, you have a beautiful carrying bag. And I really had this hair dryer in my wish list for some time. Okay, this is a hair dryer unit itself. It is a metal housing finish. The top part is plastic, which is logical because inside we have a heating element. I will get back to main unit later. I want to show you the box content, which is also really interesting for me. You have these accessories, but I want to show you first this. You have a travel bag, which is beautiful. It feels leather. I don't know, is it real leather, but really it feels high quality. Magnetic clips, really astonishing. And what we have here is a wall stand with 3M tape, really beautiful. Both of these accessories are designed on mine that when you're at home you can place your fan here like this, and you have a hook for cable, and when you're traveling you can use this beautiful bag for it. The next thing, which is a usual fan accessory, you get these magnetic clips. This gives more concentrated airflow, and this one, I'm not sure really, I didn't check the manual. This one is for gentle airflow, and this one is for more concentrated airflow. I want to mention the cable. The cable is really ultra high quality. I'm electrician and I will show you something. This is a Benning Duspol, a German-made line tester for 220 volts and beyond. And look at the cable. They are basically the same. This cable is CAT 1000 certified, and this cable is literally the same. It is a soft fill cable, and it is not that strong type of cables which are hard to bend. These one are designed to be bent a lot and retain their shape and isolation to stay for eternity. It is really rare to see a Cat 3 1000 volts cable in home appliances. This is really a premium product regarding that. This ROIDMI hair dryer is very well built. The main feature in my eyes is compactness and power. You get a lot of power from a really small and compact unit, which is beautifully designed. Intake is on the bottom. You see these grills. The air is going through the handle in the top part where we have a heating element, and you get really strong performance from the small unit. You have two buttons, the switch and the bottom. The switch is airflow switch. You have, of course, turned off the first speed, you can hear the hissing sound, which is basically a concentrated airflow. The second speed, even stronger. I don't see myself using a second speed because I'm male and that's kind of not needed really. And when you turn it off, it turns off immediately. This is really cool. I really like how this motor works. It is a brushless motor, and basically it is a lot better when the motor is brushless, because there are no parts which will wear off over time. The second button is for temperature. This whitish color is basically a room temperature air. This is warmish, really nice for drying your hair with a normal, a bit warmer temperature. And we have a hot, which is quite a hot. This is preferred for if you're a woman and you want to style your hair. You know how you girls do that. The main highlight is performance and design, and of course portability as the third one. These three are like combined in one unit, and you get a really nice product with I really like it, how it looks. I mean, it is really beautiful. You get these attachments. I will use this one a lot because I don't need a concentrated airflow for styling my hair. If you are a woman, you will probably use this one, but this one is perfect for me. Okay, finally managed to set up a camera in my bedroom. I'm gonna dry my hair with Xiaomi ROIDMI hair dryer. Anyway, I will demonstrate again. Really cool. This is it, guys. Completely ready to go out. My hair is dry. Also, my recommendation, use DM Balea Man Power Effect Caffeine Boost Tonic. It really helps you if you're losing your hair. I managed to save as much possible depending my hair losing condition. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video for Xiaomi ROIDMI hair dryer. It is a really nice product. I really like it. So if you want to have a fancy hair dryer for travel and home, this is it. Subscribe, comment, and until next time, see ya.